Comes with an extra motor.
First loan car delivered to a private customer.
1 of 31.
That is insane.
All right. See this dragon snake?
Yeah. So lost. It's going to go
It'll be tomorrow night. Late. Shelby Factory Station is 3 dragons. 1 of 5 factory built dragon snakes. Only stage 3 factory built customer dragons. Now for direct purchase. For a whopping $268 million.
Yeah.
Normally they didn't have to have.
There's still a lot of manufacturers.
There is a lot.
Winning is over.
And generally that has to do with
Direct purchase. It's not too bad, really, is it? You call it bad,
1 of 5, though.
I'm gonna put the shop, my house, everything I own, maybe.
Yeah, let me go put all of my assets, and then maybe we could come up with a down payment.
Together. Here, bro. Look.
Hey, Rude.
In High Texas.
You can sleep in a car, but you can't race a house, man.
That's right. That's right. I'll just sleep in that car with Stephanie, but definitely Well, there's 2 seats, so I guess we can just sleep there together.
There ain't no price on happiness.
That's right.
But he said his wasn't real or something like that. I had something.
There's more money in this room than me and all my friends put together.
Oh, yeah.
This is ridiculous.
I mean, that's $6 million car.
Yeah.
I've never seen
That's 1.75 today, right now, if you'll buy that.
I've just never
This
seen
one for $850,000. Didn't even sell, because it's probably worth way more than that.
Is it this
So who knows? There ain't any price tag on that son again. That's probably $12 million, maybe more. You're in the wrong thing.
I'm in the wrong something.
Things don't let us get these things.
Yeah.
We need to figure out what the game plan life. I enjoy doing what I do. Honestly, if you go in a sweet place to be, if you had $6 million,
If I had $6 million, that thing would be sideways out of here, showing off that I had $6 million to blow. Like, oh my God, he had $6 million. I'm like, put me on that freaking Dodge track over there. We're about to blow. We're blowing $6 million. We're blowing $6 million.
Let's see if it's worth it. We're gonna make it worth the $6 million.
Yeah, Stephanie's gonna have to step her game up. She's gonna have to work some overtime or something. I need a sugar mama.
You better deliver a whole lot more mail.
Yeah. You're gonna have to go ahead and call UPS and get some of that overtime.